It's a certified 2018 Lexus NX. This is the crossover for any urban adventure, thanks to a turbocharged engine, aggressive exterior design, and an interior built around you. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: continuously variable automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, smart device navigation, Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone climate control, streaming audio, doors and push-button start proximity key, leather steering wheel, and I4 engine. Edmunds.com highlights its class-best fuel economy, generous backseat room for the segment, impeccable cabin construction, and copious high-tech features. Lexus, inspired design, relentless innovation, incredible performance. Someone's going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. Should be you. Test drive it today.
Enjoy luxury and a stress-free car shopping experience at Lexus of Wayzata. We're conveniently located at 16100 Wayzata Boulevard in Wayzata, Minnesota.